descriptive statistics, or even with a problem, it will really call you what is the NMAT performance of the respondents as a group. No, what is the NMAT? Look at the results. Let's look at the results of NMAT. This is the NMAT performance. Oo. Yan mga results ng mga estudyante. You're going to describe. Because when you present results, you don't present the raw. Right? So again, we're going to use, no? So, with NMAT performance, you wanted to determine ilang estudyante ba ang outstanding. Right? Ilang estudyante ang outstanding performance in NMAT? Ilang estudyante ang very satisfactory? No? Or yung satisfactory lang? Yung fair lang? Tsaka yung poor. Who will determine these categories? Pwedeng ikaw, as researcher, pwedeng you will base from certain literature, from certain school, or from whoever is giving NMAT, kung ano yung standards nila. Right? So let's just say, for example, you will still need to tell me where you're basing it. But kasi wala tayong basis ngayon, tagnaon lang sa nato. Okay? Kung naay outstanding kaya na performance sa NMAT, this is a national aptitude test, medical aptitude test. Ano kaya yung outstanding na result dyan? Mga 90 to 100 kaya?
90 to 100.
Ha?
Outstanding?
Baka 95? 95? Tapos may standard nyo, no? Sige. 95. Baka wala yung outstanding na nasa itong results, ba? Oo. Pero sag nila, try natin. Ano pa? Sa 90 to 94. Sige. Ano pa? Satisfactory kaya? 85 to? Oo. Baka mataas ng ano natin. No? Kay murag ang lowest. Unsa man? 50 man si 40. 75 ang passing. So, dapat murag na adiri. Satisfactory. 2.
Ang poor siguro yung 75.
Ha? Passing man. Fair ang passing. Oh, pero see, you notice na ang dili ra ba mo dawat ang isa ka school or NMAT di man yata na pasar ng fair lang. Right? Pero anyway, sige, as we've said, baka ato-ato ra ni, no? So baka 81 to unsa? To 85? Ana? Tapos yung poor? 40 to 50. Oh, kasi 50 man ang lowest or naman gani 45 gani dito. Ha? Or 0 to 50, ana? Oh, poor na 0 to 50. Asa naman ang 51? Ah, so 70, 51 to
0 to 74, poor. 75 to 1 fair.
oh, 0 to 74, mataas na. Pero percentage ba ni siya ha? Dili ini siya grado. Dili siya grado.
So, hindi siya mag-start sa 95 to 100 siguro.
Percentage man. Dili nga siya grado. O sige, butang-butang lang ta. 75 to 80. Ana na lang. Ma'am, dili lagi pariyo ang weird. Ngayon ana. So, you have proof for that. Okay? Sige. Okay. Sige. Ha? Now I'm going to... Oo, wala bitaw 86. Kamu bitaw? Sige. Ano naman?
86 to 96.
Saan ni? Kani? Kasi 86 to 94? Okay. Tapos ito, 76 to 81 to 86? Ano lugar?
81 to 85. 81 to 85. 81 to 85. 81 to 85. 81 to 85.
ato-ato lang. Again ha, kanang danha, kung unsa na siya, you have basis for doing that because you are going to, yes sir, yes ma'am, yes po ma'am. Wait lang ha, I'm going to, okay. So let's continue ha. Okay, so again, you have basis for this because you're going to prove that to whoever is asking you or to your panel in the future, no? So you have fit basis, but let's just put it there for the sake of exercise, all right? Now, the question, what is the NMAT performance of the respondents? Actually, even with that question, it's just asking you to use descriptive statistics. What is the NMAT? Tell me and describe to me the performance. Ganun lang yun, di ba? So, what is the NMAT performance of the students? So, how are we going to do this in statistics or in Excel using technology, no? So, again, what are we going to do? We wanted frequency and then percentage, correct? Okay. And then we wanted to count. But Excel, no? But Excel cannot do this kind, 95 to 100. We're going to break them, 95, 100. No, no? So, only one number per cell. So, 86 to 94, 81 to 85, and then 75, yes, to 80, and then 0 to 74. Okay, so those are the grades, right? Okay, so now we're going to have frequency. Why are we not going to code? We're not going to code because these are already number. Right? We code kanina because those were qualitative description, and then we're counting, and Excel cannot do that. All right? So, let's do this. Frequency, I will highlight. Look at that. Highlight, di ba? Okay. Equals frequency, and then open parenthesis. We go to the data array. Okay. And then we have comma. And then we highlight. We only highlight. What happened to my frequency? Again. Okay, again ha. Equals frequency. Highlight the data where the NMAT is, comma, anong susunod? Yung bin, di ba? Yung last time we had a code. This time, we only highlight the upper limit. Okay? Highlight. Close. No? Close. Control, Shift, Enter. You have counted. Okay?
So, ang high number, please.
Oo, 36 din sila, no? Oo. Pero dili man gikamutuo. As in, ang 95 to 100, walog yun. Balikan nimo kay imo imbestigahon. Ay, wala gyud ka nagsalig sa Excel. Unsa ganito? 95 to 100. Oh, 95 to 100. 1, 2, okay? 3, 4, 5, okay, 6, 7, 8. 8 ra yun. Ang 95 to 100. O, sa ligi na lang yun ang Excel. Kaya ang uban sa inyo, ma'am, magkahon-kahon na lang ko. Later, you will discover na dili pwede. Okay? Equals 8 divided by 36 times 100. No? And we have 2 decimal place. And then you go like that. We're counting. Only count. Oh, you describe. Kanina, we already had, in terms of description. Right? Okay. Now, because this is performance, it's very important that we describe this using your mean. What is the typical score of the students? Kasi here, you only counted how many are outstanding, how many are very satisfactory. That doesn't really tell us much. Right? So, but when we do a a descriptive statistics or the central tendency that will give us something, no? So, we wanted to get the mean, right? And we also wanted to get the standard deviation. Okay, just initial introduction to standard deviation. Okay? Standard deviation is, will tell us how spread are our data. Okay? Kalat ba kaayo? Lagyo ba kasi diferensya? O dikit-dikit man? Okay? Yun ang yung basic description of standard deviation. So again, we wanted to get the average. How do you get the average the traditional way? Oh, the traditional way, you go 80 plus 88 plus 84 plus 56, ganon. Right? Divided by 36, correct? Oo. But here, what do we do? Ano nga ba yung data? You can highlight the data from here. M4. Is that M4? Look at that. That's M. M column 4. You can highlight, but you can also just remember that's M4 to M39. Okay? So, you can highlight, but you can just remember kung di ka ganag ato dito, no? So, mean. The mean is average. Okay? You get the average from M4 hanggang M39. Okay? So, without adding, we have like that. So, the average is 77 for our entire group. So, that means you have an idea. The respondents have an average of 77.83. Okay? Sige. How about standard deviation? Kanina, we computed using that standard deviation. Would you like to do that in 36? Oh, yes, ato kay 70. Sa inyong requirement is 54. Oh, hindi lang yung 100. Oh, kung tinambanon, tapo, no? Tinambanon. So, but of course, you only had STDev, and unsa to? M4 hanggang M39. Okay, that will give you 19. That means, what does that mean? That means majority of your scores, or 66%, 68% of your score are between 79 plus 19 and 77 plus 19 o 77 minus 19. Ingana ka, ana ang majority, because standard deviation will tell us one standard deviation above your mean and one standard deviation below your mean. You can get an idea kung unsa ang majority. Klaro ba? Dili kayo sa dilang. Kung dili kanyo murag ana. What if naalugar ko standard deviation nga 5.3? Kung parang nita ingana ang gagawas. Ang average na ko 77, pero 68% of the students or the respondent scores are below. What is 77? Are above 77 plus 5, 82. 77 minus 5, 72, correct? Which means na you can get a description using standard deviation that majority, 68% of your scores here, NMAT scores, are between 72 to 82. Yun ang majority, 72 to 82. Medyo dikit-dikit, right? Pero 19. What's 77 plus 19? Layo, no? 96. 77 minus 19. Ha? Naikalcue. Oo. 58 to 98. 96. 58 to 96. Bungka kayo, no? You get the beauty of standard deviation? To tell us something. What if the standard deviation is 2? Majority are 75 to 79. It gives you an idea, correct? Why? Because when we are presenting results of data, you don't present the raw. You present a description. And that's where our descriptive stat will help us. You describe the results. Klaro ba? What if the standard deviation is 0? Oh, what does that mean? Ano no? What do you mean by constant? Kano sa siya na 0? What do you mean by perfect? Not pasar. The same score. Diba? Kung, let's say, 4, 4, 4, 4. O, you get the standard deviation of this. O, let's say, o, you get 0. Because standard deviation will show us how much is each score deviating from the mean. Wala man, pareha ba sila? Diba? And then it will tell us how spread the scores are. Kuha? Okay. Pero, oo pero when we look at the standard deviation, meron man siya one standard deviation above, one standard deviation below. That's the majority. No? Later I will show you pero that's just an intro. Okay, so that you get the meaning of standard deviation. Kung medyo dili pa kay ma'am, sagdi lang, ba? Okay. So that answers what is the NMAT performance of the respondents as a group. Right? Okay, but our problem is not as a group. But it's also very important that you show them as a group, di ba? Assignment pala na siya ni Moranta, no? Ni Shelo. Okay. Pero here, we're not only interested with them as a group. We're interested what is the NMAT performance by gender. Oh, by gender. Kaya pa ba? Can I show? Kaya ra? Okay. Parang ganito siya. What is the NMAT performance by gender? So, parang siyang pila kabuok ang 95 to 100 sa mga male. Right? Pila kabuok ang 95 to 100 sa mga female. Ba? Kasi by gender. Kaya pa, matulon pa, sigmanok na yung pananaw sa kuha ka. Oo. Transfer na ko siya diri. Then I will, again, what did we say? We have 95 to 100, 86 to 94, 81 to 85, 75 to 80, and 0 to 74. Again, we are arranging them or categorizing them by gender. Remember? So, gender. Okay, we are interested with that man. Okay? So, sige. So, ano yun? Sa mga males, ilan ang outstanding? Ganun yun ba? Sa mga females, ilan ang kay kani, dili man mo makita. Diri ta magtanaw? General. Lahat sila to. Klaro ba? Sige. I'll just